Hello, welcome to another product video. My name is Elvis, and today we're going to take a look at the Quiksilver Strange Days backpack. This pack comes with a large main compartment, two fleece-lined pockets at the top for media and sunglasses, a secondary organizer pocket, and an extra front pocket to organize your extra accessories. It also comes with an adjustable sternum strap and padded mesh shoulder straps. Now that you've seen all of the features, be sure to check out the Quiksilver Strange Days backpack and other great products on our website.